Have you ever scrambled around for a receipt, that elusive piece of paper holding the key to a vital piece of information? Maybe you're hunting down proof of purchase for a warranty or frantically searching for that restaurant bill you need for an expense report. In our increasingly digital world, that frantic paper chase is becoming a relic of the past. But what about our finances? Thankfully, managing your money is easier than ever with online banking. Today, we're diving into the world of Capital One and exploring how to effortlessly check your account information from the comfort of your couch or anywhere else with an internet connection. Whether you're a seasoned Capital One customer or just starting out, this video will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to navigate your online account like a pro. So, ditch the paper chase and join us as we unlock the secrets of checking your Capital One account. First things first, there are two main ways to access your Capital One account, through their website or their mobile app. Both offer a user-friendly experience, so the choice really comes down to personal preference. If you prefer the traditional desktop experience, head over to Capital One's secure website, invalid URL removed. This address is important. Always make sure you're logging in on a verified Capital One website to avoid any phishing scams. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by a login screen. This is where you'll enter your username and password. If you haven't created an online account yet, don't worry. The sign-up process is quick and easy, and we'll walk you through it in a moment. Now, let's say you're a mobile whiz who lives life on the go. In that case, download the Capital One mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. The app is free and puts the power of your Capital One account right at your fingertips. Once you've launched the app, you'll be prompted to log in with your username and password. Again, if you're new to the Capital One online world, you can create an account directly through the app. Alright, now that you're logged in either on your computer or phone, it's time to explore. The layout might differ slightly between the website and app, but the core functionalities remain the same. Front and center, you'll usually find a snapshot of your account information. This might include your current balance, recent transactions, and upcoming due dates for any credit card payments. But your online account offers so much more than just a quick glance at your finances. Let's delve a bit deeper. Need to make a payment? No sweat. Capital One's online platform allows you to schedule or make one-time payments for your credit card, loan, or any other Capital One product you might have. Feeling generous and want to send some money to a friend or family member? Capital One allows for quick and secure transfers between accounts. Did you just make a purchase and need to download a copy of your statement for your records? No problem. Your online account provides easy access to past statements, so you can keep your finances organized. Keeping track of your budget is crucial, and Capital One understands that. Their online tools allow you to categorize your transactions, set spending goals, and even receive alerts when you're nearing your limits. Speaking of limits, if you ever need to increase your credit limit or report a lost or stolen card, you can handle it all conveniently from your online account. Remember, managing your finances shouldn't be a chore. Capital One's online platform empowers you to take control of your money with ease. So, whether you're a budgeting pro or just starting your financial journey, Capital One's online tools are there to simplify the process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.